Hi, it's CreativeSarah. Today we're going to do some birds. We are using our wooden cutouts, our bird wooden cutouts, and our really cool and our bird cutout Scandinavian transfer, you guys. This is so cute for the holidays. I love the Scandinavian patterns. So my thought is, after I get these cut up, I am going to sand my birds, and we're going to use some forest green and shimmer gold, and I think that's gonna be really, really cool. It's a nice holiday color. They're nice holiday colors, and they go together so well. So I'm just kind of sanding these up. Now, the cool thing about this transfer is that it has both sides of the birds. So you have two transfers for the little bird, one for each side, and two transfers for the big bird, one for each side. I'm just doing one-sided birds today. So you can do double-sided or one-sided. You can paint the bird first. I'm leaving him white, and then I'm going to do a mixture of these awesome colors. So labeling the back of my transfers, of course, before I peel them off, and then we will get to going. So this is the one that I like the best. I think it looks like he's wearing like a cute little sweater. So I'm going to do partially, this is gold, shimmer gold, and then his little beak will be forest. We're just going to kind of go back and forth on these colors. And I'm using my multi-tool here. If I needed a little smaller squeegee, I could go to my detail tool. But so far, this is working well for me. So I'm just going to kind of go in stripes, and not exactly every other, but a little bit. And if some of it blends, it's totally okay. I'm going to make his tail end that gold, and we will finish with just the rest of that will be the forest color. So look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's so cute. Next, we will kind of set him aside to dry. I will do his wing. So I just have to line this up. I should be using my light box underneath it, but I was too lazy. So I just lined it up on my own. And here we go. I'm going to do a little bit of it with the gold, and we're going to do the outline in gold, and then the rest of it will be our forest green. So again, you could use your detail tool because it's a little bit of a smaller area, but this is super easy. Okay, I cannot wait to see how this turns out. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, if you are new, go ahead and comment VIP in the comments, and I will send you a link to join my free crafting group where you'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Now we're going to do the little bird. So this little guy is going to match his big friend, but we're going to do it a little bit different. So I'll do his beak gold and some other fun things gold, and then we'll accent with that forest green and those other little places. So just kind of getting in there with my multi-tool. There we go. And we're just going to put a little bit of green on what's left. And we're just going to finish him off with all of the forest green color on the little spots that are left. Easy peasy. And we're going to reveal. Look at how cute he is. Upside down, but cute. There we go. Now we're going to do his little wing. Like I said, I'm making the one-sided birds today. So this is going to be the opposite. I'm going to go ahead and do the green outline, little stripe in the center, and then we'll do our gold after that. And of course, I'm using the detail tool because this is so tiny. I need that little itty bitty squeegee. There we go. And then we're going to peel this. And of course, we're going to dry our little birdie and our wing. Once we have this completely dry, we're just going to put them together. Now, these fun bird cutouts and the wings do come together, and they come with these great glue dots that you can use to stick them on. They go right on the back of the wing, super easy. Peel off the backer, And you can just stick it right down just like that. Easy peasy. There are 2 wings for each bird. So you can make your double-sided birds with 2 wings or just make them one-sided like this. Thanks for watching, everybody.